Want to make your videos more engaging with visual effects? Clipchamp includes a variety of effects that you can apply to your video clips to create a different look and feel. In this guide, I'll show you how to add effects in Clipchamp step by step in 2026. First, open Clipchamp and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Select the clip you want to edit. With your video selected, look through the editing controls for the effects option. Clipchamp may provide different effects depending on the type of media and the version you're using. Browse the available effects and preview the options that interest you. Some effects can change the appearance of your video, while others can create a specific visual style or mood. Choose an effect that supports your content rather than distracting from it. Select the effect you want to use and apply it to your video clip. The effect should appear in the preview so you can immediately see how it changes your footage. Depending on the effect, you may have controls for adjusting its appearance or intensity. Make small changes and preview the result. A subtle effect often looks more natural than using the strongest setting. If your project contains multiple clips, you can select other clips and add effects where appropriate. Try to keep a consistent visual style throughout the video so the editing feels intentional. Now play your project from beginning to end and check how the effects look during the full video. Make sure they don't cover important text, faces, or other details. When everything looks good, select Export, choose your preferred video quality, and let Clipchamp create the finished video with your effects. And that's how to add effects in Clipchamp in 2026. Select your clip, browse the effects, apply and adjust the effect, preview your project, and export the final video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.